So guys, this is my AirPods Pro 3 connected to my iPhone 17 Pro. And I'm gonna show you. The running firmware is 8B25 right here. So today, Apple released the latest firmware for AirPods Pro 3, which is 8B30. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to update your AirPods Pro 3 firmware without any hassle. Okay, let's break down what you're going to wanna do. First, you have to check the current firmware. So you can go ahead and open settings on your iPhone. Tap Bluetooth. Tap the small info icon next to your AirPods Pro 3, and right here you can see firmware version. Mine says 8B25. Now, here's the important part. AirPods don't have a manual update button. The update installs automatically when a few conditions are met, so let me show you exactly how to trigger it. Step 1. Put both AirPods back in the charging case. Close the lid, and make sure the case has enough charge. Step 2. Plug your AirPods case into power. Wired charging or MagSafe both work. Step 3. Keep your iPhone unlocked and nearby. The iPhone must stay close so the firmware can download and install. Anyways, that's the adequate setup for the update to begin. You don't have to tap anything. You just have to keep the AirPods charging next to your iPhone for about 10 to 15 minutes. Sometimes it takes a bit longer, so don't worry. If you want to help the update along, make sure your iPhone is on Wi-Fi, disable low power mode, and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. These all bring in a smoother update. Now, after waiting some time, you can go after the same steps again to check the firmware. Open Settings, Bluetooth, tap the info icon, and now it should show the new firmware version, 8B30. Wow, over here you can see the updated version right here. If your AirPods still don't update, you can make up a few quick fixes. Restart your iPhone. Forget and reconnect AirPods. Open the case lid near your phone, then close it again. This forces a new handshake. And try charging both devices for a bit longer. Okay, that's it. Your AirPods Pro 3 firmware should now be updated successfully to 8B30. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comments.